I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you're on the go and wanting to take beautiful pictures, it's important to have a good camera bag. And this Amazon Basics camera bag Sling is so nice. Every time I open this thing, I'm so amazed by how many pockets there are. There is a main compartment that you can unzip where you can put the camera, your lenses, and in the flap that opens out, you have a bunch of little pockets on the inside of that, on the outside. On the top part is a very big open space where you can put your charger, additional lenses, or tints. There are so many things about this bag that are just absolutely amazing. Now, I love how easily this just slides to my back. And then when I'm ready to take a picture, I can slide it forward. It has everything in front of me. My favorite feature is actually the part that you can buckle, because when you start to unzip the flap, it doesn't have to open all the way out and then possibly have your camera fall out. You can just open it a little bit, open the flap, slide the camera out and slide it back in. And it also has a nice little cloth that's attached to the inside of this flap so that you can clean your lens, clean the display screen. It has this side part right here. It has a loop with a pocket where you can easily slide a tripod with you in case you need some stabilization for certain shots. Such a nice bag. It is so well designed, so high quality. I love having it with me. I'm always amazed how much it can hold and how useful it is. And that's my point of view.